Hi, Realtor friends. I'm Kim Cameron, Realtor trainer and CRS instructor out of St. Louis, Missouri. I am so excited to bring a 1-hour session to NAR in San Diego. This session is a smart home tech workshop. Get smart in 60 minutes. Join me on Saturday, November 13th at 3 p.m. Pacific time for a packed hour that you don't want to miss. By now, if you're anything like me, you're seeing smart home devices at every turn. Doorbells, key locks, thermostats, cameras, light switches, and so much more. We're having conversations with our clients about what we can and cannot say or do in a home more often than ever before. So in this session, we're going to answer some of the very common questions about smart home technology and put together the foundation for your listing strategy. I'm going to answer questions like, what qualifies as a smart home? And how can I help you leverage the features and functions in your marketing of smart home technology to help you get more listings in the year ahead? Information that will help you offer a higher level of competency to your clients in general. These are just a few of the things that we're going to answer and cover in this workshop. You'll leave my session with templates to use in your own business. So why reinvent the wheel when I'm going to give you everything that you need? Just edit, make them your own, and hit the ground running. I'm talking customized marketing materials and placards for inside your listing, social media templates, and listing material that you can immediately implement into your listing kit as soon as you get home from this convention. You will need Canva for this session. It's free to sign up, so plan in advance. That's Canva, Canva.com. Bring your laptops and technology, as this is a hands-on workshop. You'll leave this class with a plan to execute immediately. So join me on November 13th at 3 p.m. Have a great time talking smart home tech. You will not be disappointed.